Hey Eterna players, in this video I'm going to be going over what the Eterna100 is. So the Eterna100 in a nutshell was a paper published by Eterna players, and it is a huge milestone for citizen science in the field of RNA research. So players J. Anderson Lee and Eli Fisker gathered 100 player-made puzzles that represents the difficult aspects of RNA designs and how bots are able to solve them as a benchmark. So essentially, in a nutshell, if a bot was able, one bot A was able to solve 50 of the Eterna100, and bot B was able to solve 90 of 100, then bot B would be better because it has a better percentage of solving the Eterna100. And so this is what the Eterna100 is. They're just different puzzles. I haven't solved all the Eterna100 myself, and so these are literally 100 puzzles chosen and made as a standard. Now there are some of the crazy ones. One of the most difficult ones to solve are the shooting star and the tetragon. Where is that? It's a big one. Where is it at? I'm also running through all the puzzles so you can get a feel for them. Tetra. It's called the tetragon. Oh. Tetra. It's a big one. Teslagon. Okay, stopping this video.